Steering wheels. Steering wheels are a navigational tool that we can use in 2D or in 3D modes. They come in a variety of different navigation wheels. But first, where do we find them? Over here in our navigation bar. If we click on this navigation bar, we find that this is where the steering wheels are controlled. We hit the down arrow. We find that we have 6 flavors of steering wheels in 3D. The most used one is the full navigation wheel. We also, if we're in 2D, we get a 2D navigational wheel. So first, let's take a look at our 3D full navigational wheel. So if we just click on this button, and then as I move my cursor around, this steering wheel follows me no matter where I go. In here I get basic wedges like pieces of pie, pizza pie. We got different tools in each wedge. You click on the tool that you want, such as pan, and now you have to hold your left mouse button to operate the steering wheel. Once you let go, it goes back. I can go to zoom, I can left click on it, I can zoom in, I can zoom out. And so basically any one of these tools you can just click on. To get rid of it, I can hit the X in the upper right hand corner, I can hit escape. So I'll hit the button in the upper right hand corner. Likewise, I can also go to a mini full navigational wheel. You can see the difference. It's very smaller, and there's nothing to tell you which tool it is until you hover around the wheel and you spin around. It has a different color, and it'll tell you the name. So in this case, I can walk around till I get the zoom, and then I still get the same zoom tool. I got to hold my left mouse button down all the time to stay in the steering wheel. When I let go, it still follows me around wherever my cursor goes. I can change tools, and I can go to pan, and I can pan it holding my left mouse button down. I let go, and the only way really, I can right click on this thing and I can close the wheel, or I can hit escape in the basic navigation wheels. We can also set a lot of options, and one way to set an options of these is we can go up to the application menu, go to the options button, and over here we can go to steering wheels. Here we can control all the behavior of the steering wheel, which size it is, the opacity, etc. Likewise, I can also, when I click on one, I can right click on any wheel, and I also get a variety of tools in my right click menu. So we have a variety of these tools you can use at any time for navigating your way around your model, and they're kind of a little bit annoying because you must keep your left mouse button clicked in order to do the task. If I let go of my mouse button, I'm out of the command. So always remember, keep your left mouse button clicked if you're going to use the steering wheels. The steering wheels, all these things can be done in other methods essentially, but this is just another way of navigating.